Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginners. Currently in this playlist we are exploring NLP for beginners. So let's continue the journey of exploration by moving to the collab that we have created for this course. So this is a Google Colab notebook that I have created for this course. In the beginning of the course there was introduction that I simply explained you what is tokenization. Then in last video I explained you what is stemming. And in last video I also told you that a stemming fails in some cases, which is quickly is not converted to stem like this. And also there is no such word exist in English dictionary also. So this drawback was successfully solved by a concept called as lemmatization. Lemmatization ensures that the word that is converted to its root form is available in English dictionary or not. So this was basic introduction of lemmatization, and it is better than stemming. Now let's import it. So to import it, the command is similar to this. I will simply type here. So this is the command or the method in which lemmatization is available. Now let's create a name variable in which we will load this lemmatization as we did for stemming. So we are getting this error what index lemmatization is not defined because we have not run this cell. Now let's run this cell, and after that let's run this cell. So as you can see, the error has been resolved. Now let's simply use this technique only to print the lemmatization of specific words. So let's make it lm. Now the output will be bat, which is an English word available in English dictionary, and it is asking that the word intent lemmatization has no object attribute stem. So for lemmatization the word is lemmatize and not stem, so the word is this lemmatize. So I think it will give no error. So it is asking me to download nltk.wordnet. So let's do that. So I will simply go above and create a new cell here above it, and I will simply type here nltk.download.wordnet. So it is saying that NLTK is not defined. So let's import it first. So I have imported NLTK, and now let's run this cell. So as you can see, it is downloading and it has downloaded. Now let's run the entire program. So this cell is successfully run. Now let's run this cell, the next cell, and the cell in which we were getting error. Now I hope there should be no error. And as you can see, it does not remove the word as batting word is already present in English dictionary. But it is a solution to the word like quickly. So I will just show you the output. So I will simply type here lm.lemmatize, and let's replace the word by quickly. Now let's run the cell. So as you can see, it has not converted the word from quickly to quick, as quickly is a word which is available in English dictionary also. Now let's move ahead by simply creating a list of words and simply passing the list of words to this lemmatization. So I have created a list of words which is this. Let's run this cell, and after that let's traverse to this list. So I will simply type for word a word, and I will simply type here print lm.lemmatize and pass simply a word. So I think it will simply give the output of everything. Now let's run this cell to see the output. So the answer is running, play, universally, quickly. So it has not reduced the word to its root form, as running is available in English dictionary and plays is not available in English dictionary, so it has converted it to play. Universally is accepted or available in dictionary, and lastly quickly, that we have already saw above. From these two videos we can ensure that where stemming fails, lemmatization comes in picture and gives us a better output, using which we can simply convert a word to its root form, and which is also available in English dictionary. So that's all for today's video, and this was a basic explanation and introduction that I wanted to give you about lemmatization in NLTK. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends, and also if you face any queries you can simply message me on Instagram or in comment section below. And the source code of today's video is available in video description. You can definitely check out that. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.